Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to design a logo that is on your screen. So let's get started. So you go and open your pixel lab, change the background color. So this is the color that I want my background to be. Okay. Then delete this text by clicking on the A at the bottom and then press what? Delete. Okay, so go to shapes, and select the circle. The circle has been selected, so let's change the circle's color to what? Black. So it has been changed. Okay, so then copy it. So we now go and change the color of the copied one to any color that you want, and then reduce its size. Okay, so position both circles at the center of your work. Okay, and then this one too at the center. Then merge them. Merge what? Merge them. Merge them together. Okay, are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? Press OK. Okay, it has been merged. So now go to change erase color. Erase what? Color. Okay, erase color, and then press on this one, you see, and then press OK. The what? The red color has been erased. So let's increase the tolerance level to 7, somewhere 22. Okay, we're almost done. So this is now your destiny. So you go to shapes again. So use the selected shape and then merge it, reduce it, and then place it on the circle, and then press OK. Merge that new one with the old one. Okay, merge them together. So it has been merged. Okay. So now it has been merged. So go to text by pressing on the A at the bottom here. Press A and then press the addition sign. Okay, press edit. So in this case I will change it to, I'll write AB or AG, Abdul Graphics, AG, Abdul Graphics. Then increase the size. Then let's go and change the font. Change it to the preferred one. Okay, change it to your preferred font. Okay, no, this one is not. No, should I consider this one? Let me check. No, let me change it. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, now reduce the size of the circle. Let's change the color of the text. Let's change the color. So you go to color, go to gradient, go to press the addition sign, and then press the color button. Okay. Okay. So this is my color, and then change the color of the circle or the wheel if you like to this one. So go to color and then go to gradient and then select the first one. You see that they are the same. So we are now free to merge the two objects together. So merge them and position it well. Okay, so merge them together, merge them together, merge them, and press OK. So you see, you can reduce it, you can add the size, reduce and increase, decrease and what increase the size. So what is the meaning of Abdel Graphics? What is the meaning, or what is the meaning of AG? AG means what? Abdel Graphics. So you go to text by pressing on T and then write Abdel Graphics. Abdul Graphics. Okay, Abdel Graphics. You can increase the size a bit. Okay, and then go and change the font to a preferred one. So which one do I like? Is it this one? Do I like this one? Somehow, yes, it's somehow better. So you increase it to the size that you like, and then you can change the color. So let me change the color for this one again, Abdel Graphics. So where can I contact Abdel Graphics? I can contact Abdel Graphics on YouTube, on Facebook, and whatever, on WhatsApp. So let's choose which of the pages should we choose? So let's use the WhatsApp number. So you can contact Abdel Graphics on the WhatsApp number. Go to text and type the WhatsApp number. So 233 59 5459 216 233 5459 216 233 59 5459 216. Okay, that is it. And then you can change the font. Let's change it to this one. You know, you don't have to use many fonts, so I like this one. Okay, so I can change this the color too. So by going to the color button, okay, go to gradient and then select your preferred color. You see, as simple as that. So that is Abdel Graphics WhatsApp number. Okay, so you can use this WhatsApp number to contact Abdel Graphics concerning any problem that you want to solve. Okay, so go to the shapes, the middle button, this one, and then go to import. So go to your gallery, import, downloads, and then select the WhatsApp logo or something like that. This is it. So I want to crop it. Okay, this is what's up. Okay, and then press OK. It is here. So reduce the size and then place it under or beside the WhatsApp number. Place it appropriately by using the move button. Okay, okay. Okay, this one seems to be okay. So let's change this color to this our color. Okay, so you know what? Merge the number and then the WhatsApp logo. Okay, so merge the number. This is a phone number, and then merge them and place them well. Position them well. Position them at the appropriate words. So seems it's right there. Okay, and then merge all your works. Merge all. Merge all. Merge all. Okay, so go to 3D shape. Yes, this is 3D shape, and then enable it. See what has happened. So you go to oblique. So this one you have to be careful. It's because of the size of our work, that is why you are seeing it to be done. So go and increase the size of your work. Increase it by going to relative size. You see, as you are increasing it, the thing is becoming what? You see. Okay, and then press OK. Go and increase the depth. Go to 3D shape again. Decrease the depth a bit. So this one seems to be okay. Okay, that's it. So depth color. What do you want the color? Which color do you want your words? The depth to be? So you can go to color and then press any color that you like your depth to be. You see, it has changed. You see it? It has changed like that. So you mark and then 3D rotate. Go to 3D rotate and then rotate it. You see, you can rotate it to any angle that you like. Okay, so you can go to 3D. So this is the logo. So in case you want to place it on a wall, you have to use, so I'll leave it. You have to use the what? The perspective and the rotate button. This is the perspective. So in this case, we don't want to what? Place it on a wall. You have to leave it like that. Okay. So after doing this, you can give it a shadow by going to shadow. You see, the shadow has made it beautiful. 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 Look at the work. Just look at the work. Beautiful. Beautiful. But mind you, so if you're done, go to the save button. You see the memory card sign at the top. Save as image.